and welcome to How to Hang a Mural. We have a 3-panel mural. This is the middle one. We have 2 panels of equal size that will go on the left and on the right of this central piece. Now, we found the center of the wall. Now what we have to do is to find the center of the central piece. And so I'm going to measure it. I come up with a number, 54. Half of that is 27. We're looking for the middle, and this is important to know. Okay, so I want to use tape, and I just want to remind myself that it's the middle of the tape, not the end of it. And there I go. Let's do it. Make sure my ladder's in place. Just keep yourself right there. Very good. Just keep the camera down. Let's try the first. Now, if you look at the top of this wall, I marked my center. Zoom in here. Do you see this tape? You see this tape?
Yes.
I did the same thing with this tape as I did with the tape on the wallpaper. I put a piece of pencil mark on it. I put a pencil mark on it right in the center. Okay, now I'm just being safe, putting my head against the wall so I don't fall. Okay. So now I'm matched up with my tape, but I still don't know if I'm matched up and plumb, so we'll see. This is just general to see how we're doing. Now, I don't expect that to stay by its own. I think it will fall. So let's act quickly. All right, so far, the architect did a good job of not giving us too much wall covering. So now we have to determine. This is a common thing with hanging wallpaper. This blank space down here, in fact, I think they did a perfect job. If I move this down the 3 or 4 inches, yeah, it's 4 inches. I think if I move it down 4 inches, it'll hit the wall perfectly. I like it so far. You just stay right there. I'm gonna grab my level to make sure that we're plumb. I'm not talking about the proof, of course. I was joking on one of my recent YouTubes, and somebody said, "Is this a joke?" So I was like, "What's wrong with you?" Anyway, be safe on ladders, please. Wow, this thing is moving. Don't like that. Give ourselves an inch or so. We can lay her lab, alright? Just to be safe. Okay, so now you can see the benefit of using this tape. See how my tape lines up? You could do anything like that. You can make a mark on your wallpaper. Something that'll tell you you're at the center, that's all. That's all I want you to do. So you see how the edge of the wallpaper is sort of universal throughout? That tells me that I'm square. If I'm square at the top, I'm probably plumb on the side, right? Not definitely, but probably. It just helps you lay it out. Anyway, I just got back from vacation. I'm so happy I went. Saw some beautiful things. But you guys never want to hear about that. All you want to talk about is wallpaper. And I'm all right with that. Just keep your camera there. Now show them the up and the down. Show them up and down, nice and slow. Show them what we're dealing with here. Come back down. Yeah. Let me show them how to deal with obstacles. You think I'm gonna mess with my obstacles now? No. I could be off. In fact, if any of you are really paying attention, you'll know that I already made a mistake. Please, somebody tell me before I tell you on the video. I didn't check it. I assumed. Now, does anybody know what happens when you assume? You know you spell assume, A-S-S-U-M-E? You know the rest of it. Maybe the people in the UK don't know the joke, but okay, come up with your camera. Would you let that go? It's within the bubble, but you know what? I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy. I'm gonna move it over. That's 1/4 of an inch. And when you have straight lines like this, somebody will walk in and say, it's not straight. Okay, so let's not let that happen. It's not straight. And you know, it'll probably be somebody's wife. Just kidding. Honey, that's not straight. You know what the guy will say? Whatever you say, hon. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Put your camera on there. See, now we're good, okay? That was 1/4 of an inch. It was substantial, so you really can't be off like that, okay? Especially when you got vertical lines, because when you walk into that store, you'll see it. Okay. Real quick. Now, just for you beginners, if I check this side, do I have to check this side? No, because if it's parallel, there's no need to check it. But if you're stretching it, there is a need to check it. Beautiful. The only thing I want to cover on this video is double checking for plumb, because as you can see, I was off, not off the wall like a lot of people are, but just off with my assessment of whether or not it was plumb.